This short tutorial will cover how to activate a previously saved shopping cart. We highly recommend saving a shopping cart if your order configurations are always the same or similar. This will save you time and make sure you pick up preset settings and/or files, cutting the order process down significantly. To start, log into your account. Click on My Account and locate the Saved Carts menu and click. You will land in the Saved Carts page. Here you can review any saved carts you previously set up, order, or delete. Please note, if you save a cart in your account and delete the original list the cart was created with, your order will no longer work at checkout. When a cart is saved, the system keeps all original files within the saved cart, mailing list, letter, envelope, postcard design, etc. When the saved cart feature is used, you must replace original files with new updated files, unless the file itself is the same, and the only thing changing is the mailing list. The saved cart feature is primarily for order settings. You can preview the artwork in the cart by clicking here. Click on the blue order button. If you see this pop up, it means you have another previously added item in your shopping cart. Your options are now to clear current cart, which means any item in your shopping cart other than this saved cart you are currently loading will be deleted. Your other choice is merge with current cart, meaning keep all items in cart and checkout with multiple items. In this case, we will clear current cart to have only the saved cart order be present at checkout. Click Save. You will now notice this order is now live with the original files and original mailing list quantity. Click on More to review settings if need be. You will now click on the Edit Design option. This will bring up the letter upload module. If your letter will be the same and only the mailing list is changing, click on Continue. If you need to replace the letter or artwork with a new PDF, click or drag your files here. Click Continue to proceed. To change your mailing list, click here to open the mailing list module. Click on Upload Mailing List. You will now see this page. Select a list from your previously uploaded lists, or upload a new one by clicking on the blue Select File button. Verify that your order quantity has been updated to the new list quantity. You can scroll down to double-check your settings or update settings if need be. Agree to terms and proceed to add to cart, then checkout. Please visit our YouTube page for more informational tutorials.